Now this is a story about how my life got flipped, turned upside down, and I like to take a minute, just sit right there, tell you how I became the prince of a town called Bel-Air. Oh, ooh. In West Philadelphia, born and raised on the playgrounds where I spent most of my days. Chilling out Max and relaxing on pool, on shooting some before outside school. When a couple of guys that were up to the good started making trouble in my neighborhood, I got one look right at my mom, got scared. Move away your auntie and a golden Bel-Air. But when it came near, the lights and place it fresh with the dice in the mirror. If anything that I could see, the sky was wherever the thought, man, forget it, yo, home to Bel-Air. Pull up to a house about 708, yo, to the cabin, yo, home, smile later. Looked at my kingdom, I was finally there, just sitting on my throne as a prince of Bel-Air. Of Bel-Air. First prince of Bel-Air. Why do some guys think that if they play guitar, then they can seduce a girl? How does that work? Like, I don't get that. This one guy just was like, hey, I'm playing guitar, you like this? And I'm like, I can do the same thing. No, I don't like it. But thank you. Thanks for letting me know that, because I needed to know.
We have a neighbor, I guess. I think she was trying to steal the flower quietly without anybody knowing. Yeah, which one do you want? Get off my property.
Take 4. What the hell am I doing? Oh my God! And that was off key, off key. Let's get back on key. Take 10. Yeah. There was nothing over there, really, baby. You just invaded my whole freaking recording. Why are you like so shy against the camera? You're not even shy.
Get it together, vibes. Get it together. Okay? Okay.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below. Whatever you gotta say, let it be known. Obviously, please like this video. I would highly appreciate it. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm a 90s baby, so I love the 90s era, like Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, obviously. And if you guys have any other theme songs of the 90s or even of the earlier times, then jot them down and I'll do them. Let me know. And if you have any other suggestions, just song-wise, let me know as well. I appreciate you guys coming this far to watch this video. That's about it. Yolanda Vibes, over and out. Remember, we're created to create. So never stop creating, never stop growing, never stop knowing, okay? I mean that. Created to create, remember that. Goodbye! Bye! I'm on the road.